Hello everybody. This will be a tutorial on how to use the training list feature within the Awareness Educator. Let's begin. First thing you're going to do is you're going to start from the dashboard and you're going to go down to Awareness Educator and then you're going to click Training List. Here under Training List, you'll be able to see all the trainings you have available to you. The table breaks down into the following. We have the training name, the description for the training, the category that this training falls into, the target audience for this training, the languages this training is offered in. Under type, we have the technical standard for the training. In this case, it is SCORM. Who the training was created by, any tags associated with the training, and then under actions, we could send this training out. Or under more actions, if you've created the training, you can edit your training. Since this is a system training, we cannot edit it. We could preview the training. We can create a duplicate. And as you can see, once I created a duplicate, under created by, my company name is now the owner of this copy of the training. If we look under actions, we can now edit it. If we want to send this training out, we can click send training. We can either launch our training by user groups or by campaign. If we click by campaign, and then we can see all of our phishing campaigns that we've launched under our company and the platform. Here we can see a preview of the training as well as our campaign results. We can go down here to target users and we can send this training out to users who only open the email, users who clicked the phishing link, or users who reported this as suspicious. Click next. Next, we can select the content language. We can either send this training now, or we can schedule a date and time to send this training out. We have the option to send reminders to complete the training to users who have not opened the email. We can either send a reminder every total amount of days, weeks, or months. And we can have the reminders end on a date after a number of reminders have been sent, when the user completes the quiz, or when the user completes the training. We can add a certificate. We can mark this training as a test if we need to send a test training out. Marking it as a test will exclude this enrollment from all of your training reports. And then we have the option to auto-enroll new users that have been added into the target groups either the same day, the next day that we select, or in a number of days, weeks, or months. Click next. You'll be brought to this preview page to see all the options you've selected, and you can also preview the enrollment email template. We could preview the training that is going to be sent out, or we could preview our certificate template, or we could preview the enrollment email reminder. And then we'll click launch. We also have the option to send this by user groups. We can select our target user groups. You'll see a preview of the users that are in this group. We'll click next, and then we'll be brought back to that same settings page, and then once again to that preview page to launch our training. If we want to create a new training, we can hit new. We can name our training. We can add a description. We can select the category this training falls under. We can select our target audience. We can add any tags that we'd like to this training. We can upload a cover image for this training that'll appear under the training list page. If you're a reseller account, you could either make this training available for your company only or any companies that fall under your reseller account. Under training content, this is where you'll upload your training file. You upload your file here, and then you can select the language that this training is in. If you have any other languages that you want to offer this training in, we could simply add a language. And then we'll upload that file again that supports the language that you're adding. And then you'll click save. And once you create that training, it'll populate here under the training list menu. This completes our tutorial for the training list. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.